Dad, what are we doing?
We're going to go celebrate.
Hold on.
What's the matter? You're the flashlight.
Oh, God. Hold on, let me see what time is it, Dad? What time is it?
You got 5 minutes.
We got 5 minutes. Oh, that's Jimmy's birthday. Hold on. Mom, hurry. This is hard. Hurry up!
Hurry, play it. Keep doing
Shh. Can't let anyone catch us.
Keep doing it. Come on.
Hurry, Mom. Oops, sorry. Guys, my birthday is April 2nd. Mom, what's today? No. Not exactly yet. Oh, this is one? This. I'm like so pumped up right now. I can't wait till we do this. We are not doing this in the shed. Are we doing it in the shed? Dad, if you're doing it in the shed, you're going to like it. I'm not going in there. I'm not going in the shed, Dad. Cause it look a little bit. Hey, girl. But Dad, Mom, is Dad going in the shed? He says he can go in the shed. Dad, come on, I gotta go to the bathroom. Where are you going? I don't have a flashlight. I didn't know. I don't know how to put the flashlight on. We are not going in the. We are not going in the shed. Dad, no. Those trees. I'm going over here. I'm gonna stand on the doorstep. Oh God. Look, I'm straight up running back in here. I was like this. It's blurry. I'm sorry, guys. It's not that well. It's nighttime. Come on, let's crack the door. Guys, I'm seriously not even joking. I am like the most. Can you hurry? Please, I gotta go to the bathroom. I'm nervous. I'm right here. If I get, oh sweet, my light's on. Okay, hey guys, this is good. It's good. Mom, Dad, once you light this thing, I'm running straight home into the house over there. Yeah. I'm so scared. I'm scared, Dad. I'm like not even joking. Am I lighting it? Okay.
Look, get down now.
Put it like somewhere else. I ain't doing this. I'm sitting right here.
Come on, it's your birthday. You won't ever do this again.
What?
Get over here,
I don't. I'm trying to get in a place where as soon as he lights, I can run inside. I also lose my today. Why come I cannot see? No. Okay, right here. A little bit. Come on, go. Stay. I'm done. Huh? Am I going to light it? Don't light it yet.
I'm not. Hey.
It's good.
Ready?
I'm going home. Okay. I'm scared. A little bit. Stay there. Run! god, you guys. What a beautiful day. What the?
He pooped. Look at the horse poop. Ready?
Well, we go get that brick. Get the next one on.
Ready, John? Look, they don't sparkle. Look, she just poops on them. Give you a poop on the count's face. What?
This is true.
Poop on them.
Ew. He ate too much Talkies, Dad. I think he ate too much Talkies.
That's funny.
Look on being 9. You can now.
That's hilarious.
Can we let some more fight? He has a major diet.
In my pocket.
Major
Sure,
diet.
Sorry. Where's it on there?
What? Oh, right there.
We got the sparkles. The strobe ones. Stop.
Are you still videotaping? Are you still videotaping, Mom? Ah, my eyes.
Here, thank you.
To celebrate the ice cream I'm about to buy soon. Mom, what are we gonna buy ice cream? Hold on. Okay, guys, we're back.
It's not a big kid. It's just a bunch of crap.
Run! It's a butterfly day. I'm scared. We have to go. So where's the neighbors come?
I'm gonna do one of these things here.
What things? I have to videotape too. I'm scared. I gotta videotape this.
Happy birthday to Dorian. To Dorian.
Oh. Well, there goes my mom. Hey, this graphic's better than my graphic.
That ain't gonna work. Stop.
Oh.
Ready? Dorian.
Ready for what?
Happy birthday to Dorian.
Oh, God. You have to face it down.
You want two more?
It's on me.
Come on. Yeah, good. Yeah. Let's do it. Ready? Come on. Ready?
Ready?
Happy birthday.
Let's do it. Let's do it down here.
Hold on.
Out of here.
Okay. No one cares, Mom. Oh, you guys. Look, go see. Now we're gonna turn it on. We are back. Ah, nice. So yeah, I know I haven't done so much videos coming. I have the choice of skate park. So see, happy birthday to my dog, Rocco. Hey boy. Why are you laying on the skateboard? Dad, what do you say? What do you say? Huh? Okay. So we're gonna buy fingerboards, right? Yes, okay. Guys, sorry, just hold on. Yeah, I know. Nothing. This is old junk toys. I never played with them. Don't think I do play with them now. Are fingerboards, so yeah. And that's part of my ramp I made. Oh crap! I think I gotta actually finish it all. Yeah. Oh, check out this. I've never showed this in your life. Look at this. Boom. Hold on. Yeah. I gotta get a better view. Parkour. That's better. Check that out, homie. Look at that, baby. Alright. No, so yeah, you guys. In my last video I made last month, yeah, sorry. Just gotta say one more thing. It's my dog. Rocco. Nah, I'm listening. He's lonely enough. Oh yeah. Awesome. Oh yeah, okay, that's what I should have bought. These are the actual new figure toys. Toys besides fingerboards I play with. So. Alright, yeah, I just got done eating some food. My special breakfast. I got this from school. This bracelet yesterday, Friday. This side it's a eraser, and it's kind of hard doing this. This side is just a show off. Yeah. It's more pro dog. Alright. Now this. Hold on, guys. You can't really see it, but it says happy birthday, and inside I kinda hate this happy birthday part that says birthday. I like to fold it inside out. This one, hold on. Check this out. Looks like more better than that. Huh? What? 2006? She said it won something. She doesn't know. I asked her in the van, in the car. She said it won something. You can text her. I'm too lazy to get up. Alright. I'm gonna show the least favorite guy. Check this out. Superman. I wanted to get the black and red Batman. Instead I got this Superman. And you guys tell me, I'm gonna show y'all one day if I'm gonna tell y'all one day if I never got to see him. Rocco. Come here, Rocco. You just ate a bug. Oh, that's Rocco boy. Yeah, that's my skateboard. Just like I'll show you guys in a minute that. Check this out. Superman versus Batman. Batman, I'm hoping